Okay guys, let's begin now. In this video, we are going to learn how to deposit our money in OCTA FX through UPI. We have another options like Indian banking, Indian net banking and Indian cash. But today in this video, we are going to use UPI. And maximum amount we can deposit is 1 lakh rupees. But today we are going to deposit only 10,000 rupees to demonstrate how this works. And now I'm going to start. Click on next step and now it shows here we have to paste our UPI ID through like we have like phone pay, google pay and paytm. So from that we have to copy our upi id and after that I will paste here whatever you have the access, you can use it. And now I'm going to click on next step. Here it shows that whatever the payment we have made, it's showing the details and we have to click on make a deposit. Now it shows options like we have two options, QR code and UPI ID. I'm going to choose UPI ID because QR code has only limit of 2000 rupees, so I'm choosing UPI ID. Here they provided UPI ID too. I'm going to copy that UPI ID and paste in phone pay because I'm going to make my payment through phone pay. Here I'm going to copy. Here it's shown that a green mark which is it has officially proven ID. Now I'm going to click the amount which I want to deposit. Here the 10,000 I have just chosen and I'm making this process for. Okay guys, we have done our payment. Now I have to copy UTR ID. So this has 12 digits. From the phone pay I'm going to copy and I will paste here. In the bottom it's shown. I will copy here and I will paste. I will submit it. So after submission it takes some time, like around 30 seconds to take the process. After completion of this process we have to go to return to merchant and it takes some time to deposit. Yeah, here we can see after deposit you can see within 1 to 2 hours our deposit can complete, and I also started my trading too. This is my running profit now.